I don't know if you can see him. That guy with the umbrella is the night guy that works here. And he just told me I could sleep here. Yeah, here. Anyways, I kick my feet up because the lightning's right over us. I'm getting wet right now. It feels like there's almost no end to this little condensation point we reached. A dew point we've reached. Yeah, I expected a little bit of rain. This is kind of a light part of the rain. It keeps getting good and bad and everything in between. Hey, there's another guy with a bicycle over here. Oh man. Tell him to come over here. I'm gonna go get him.